We've got a problem with the 2022 Tundra TSS package, and I think it's really across all trim lines, and this is one of those problems that you don't realize you're going to have until you own the truck and figure out all the little nuances about it. Fortunately, there's a quick, easy fix for this. It's a good interior upgrade at the same time, so let's jump inside. So sitting inside the Tundra, very comfortable, really not any blatant issues that you can see right off the bat. But what you start finding out is all these surfaces are really smooth. Everything slides around, nothing stays put, makes a whole bunch of noise while you're driving. And that goes for everywhere. Everywhere in the vehicle has this smooth plastic. So I've got a link down below to the product I'm about to show you. And they make mats for every single surface of the Tundra. Now we're going to place these around and see if it makes a difference. I guarantee it does because these are all non-stick mats. But basically they set right inside. They've got a semi-sticky bottom side. The hardest part about this is that there are not instructions on which one goes to which, and there's about 30 pieces. But they will all eventually live somewhere, so let's get to placing. Set your mat in. Alright, upgrades all in place. You may have some extras that maybe a more premium trim. You have a couple more places, but for the most part this was all covered up. So starting at the top, you're covered there. You've got this set here. You have a thin trim here for your phone so your phone doesn't slide. New cup holder mat, center console mats. The door, you've got 3, one in the actual handle, one in the middle, and actually you have 2 down here. They're separated, but actually, sorry, take that back. There's 3. You got one on the right side, one in the middle, and one on the left side. And then the back seat, same thing. Door handle, this little middle compartment, and then the 2 bottom ones down here. Your entire bottom is covered side to side, and then same thing on this door. And the passenger front door, same thing, covered all the way across, in the middle, and on top. And these are the extras left over here. Now the added benefit is that if you have a drink in here, it spills, you just pick these right up. They're easy to take out and wash out versus having to scrub in there. This was a pretty simple first mod for this Tundra, but it's a good one and something that we wanted to fix right away because it makes the drive a little better every day. So thought this one was worth sharing. We're going to get more involved on this truck as we go. We've already got a new part inside that we're going to put on this truck soon. So subscribe for that one when we have time to put that one together. And otherwise, let me know what you think. If you have a better solution than this, then share it with the group. So anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.